Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the Gmail name. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to log in our Gmail account. Once we log in our Gmail account, we will see a gear like icon. We just need to click over there and it will be expanded, and there we'll find one button is there, see all settings. We just need to click here and it will bring like this type of options. From here we'll find couple of tabs are there. We have to access this tab, accounts and import. I'm going to click accounts and import, and if we scroll a little bit we'll see send mail as, and this is the way it will show to send the email. So this is the name of our Google account or the Gmail name, and this is the email address. We can change this name easily, but the email address we cannot change. To change this thing we just need to click edit info. I'm going to click here and then it will bring this window. From here we have to choose the next box and we have to type the name which we want to use. Like before it was FewSteps, like right now it is FewSteps, right? So I'm going to use it Few-Steps. So it will change like this way, and then I'm going to click the save changes so that it will be saved. I'm going to click save changes, and then here it is showing Few-Steps. So in this way the email address or Gmail name, not the email address, the Gmail name can be changed easily. So that's it guys. In this way we can easily change the Gmail name. Thank you guys for watching the video.